Assalamu alaikum. Imagine you are in a class, you're a student, ask to you, sir, why knowledge is important in Islam. So, what's your answer? Well, I have given you answer. I have an answer that is, uh, knowledge is very important in Islam. Allah Subhanahu wa Taala emphasizes the importance of knowledge in Islam. The first revelation verse, uh, read in the name of your Lord. And Islam teaches the knowledge is great blessings. Islam encourages the people to seek knowledge throughout their lives. So it also give the high status to a scholar and educated people.